Nominees for the I Am Strength Award should exemplify the following traits. Number 1. Health-focused. They have a strong commitment to promoting physical health and sustainability. Number 2. Impactful. They can demonstrate tangible improvements in health outcomes and environmental practices. Number 3. Inclusive. Their efforts engage a diverse range of community members and stakeholders. Number 4. Inspirational. They motivate others to pursue healthy lifestyles and environmental stewardship. And number 5. Innovative. They employ creative and effective methods to promote health and sustainability. Nominate a Hero at HigherSelfAwards.org.
Tehu Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.